Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to science class. Today we will continue chapter 1 of your science book, that is crop production and management. Students, in our previous class we discussed about crops and types of crops. So what are crops? Yes, plants of the same kind grown at one place on a large scale is called a crop. Crops are mainly of two types, kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown in rainy season and rabi crops are grown in winter season. Students, we know that farmers work very hard in the field to grow crops. In order to cultivate or grow crops successfully, a farmer has to perform a large number of tasks in a sequence, that is, one after the other. The various tasks performed by a farmer to produce a good crop are called agricultural practices. The various agricultural practices which are carried out at various stages of crop production are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, removal of weeds, harvesting, and storage of food grains. So these are the basic agricultural practices which are performed by a farmer to grow crops. We will know about these practices in detail. So let's begin with preparation of soil. It is the first step of growing crops. It involves loosening and turning of soil. Turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. The loosened soil helps in growth of earthworm and microbes in the soil. They further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. Apart from these, loosening of soil also allows the roots of growing crop to penetrate deep into the soil and helps the plant to breathe easily. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done with the help of different agricultural implements such as plow, hoe, and tractor-driven cultivator. After plowing, the field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs in order to level the soil. The breaking down of large crumbs of plowed soil is called leveling. The implement which is used for leveling the plowed field is called leveler. It is a heavy wooden plank or an iron plank and is pulled by bullocks or by a tractor. Now let's see the advantages of leveling. Leveling compresses the loosened topsoil, thus prevents the soil erosion. It helps in proper sowing and uniform growth of crop plants. It prevents waterlogging and helps in uniform irrigation. Now students, after leveling, manure is added to the soil. The process of adding manure to the soil is called manuring. We know that manure contains many nutrients which are required for the growth of crop plants. So, manuring is done to increase the fertility of the soil before seeds are sown into it.